Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Trading Chief. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, I cover biopharmaceutical companies that have upcoming FDA approvals, and I also cover stock mergers. So if that's something you're interested, stick around. The ticker that we're going to be going over today is MMP. Um, just a little bit about it's Magellan Midstream. Magellan Midstream Partners LP engages in the transportation, storage, and distribution of petroleum products and crude oil. It operates through the following segments: refined products and crude oil. The refined products segment consists of an approximate 9,800-mile refined petroleum products pipeline system with 54 terminals and 2 marine storage terminals. The crude oil segment has approximately 2,200 miles of crude oil pipelines, a condensate splitter, and a 39 million barrel of aggregate storage capacity, of which approximately 29 million barrels are used to contract storage. The company was founded in August of 2000 and is headquartered in Tulsa, Oklahoma. What I want to look at is the news that came out for MMP just a couple hours ago. And that is, take a look at it right here. This is this one, I'm sorry. It says Oneok to buy Magellan Midstreams in deal worth $18.8 billion. It says Oneok Incorporated agreed to buy Magellan Midstream Partners LP in an $18.8 billion cash and stock transaction that would create one of the U.S. largest oil and natural gas pipeline operators. The deal will see each Magellan stockholder receive $25 in cash and 2/3 of a share of Oneok stock per unit. Let's see what Oneok's trading at. O-N-E-O. So it's ticker OKE. OKE is currently trading in the after hour. It closed in the after hours on Friday at $63.40. So let's go back to MMP. So you get 2/3 shares of that, which would put you at like $67.50 or something close to that of Oneok stock per unit, representing a 22% premium to closing prices on May 12th. The company said Sunday in a joint statement the transaction includes $8.8 billion in new equity and the assumption of $5 billion in existing net debt. Pipeline operators are increasingly turning to mergers and acquisitions for growth as the transition to renewable energy pairs the need for new links and threatens to make some of their existing assets redundant. Acquisition will give Oneok, which currently transports only natural gas and its byproducts, access to a network of crude oil and refined products conduits and terminals sprawling from Texas to Minnesota. The combined company will have a total enterprise value of $60 billion, according to the statement. That would put it among the 5 largest U.S. pipeline operators by that criteria. And then they just go on to say some stuff. The transaction is expected to close in the third quarter, subject to shareholders and regulatory approvals. Oneok has secured $5.25 billion in fully committed bridge financing for the proposed cash consideration. Oneok expects the transaction to have a positive impact both on an earnings per share and a free cash flow per share basis, with scale gains of at least $200 million a year. Both Oneok and Magellan are based in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So the only thing that I don't really like about this one is they don't say when they will pay out the $25 in cash, whether that is own the stock prior to a certain date, right? Or is the $25 cash and the 2/3 share of stock given at the close of the merger? So that'll follow up as time comes on, especially since it's saying that it's not going to close until, or did it even say it in this one? I don't even think it even said when it was going to close in this one. This isn't in this other um, news article over here. Just see if I can find it real quick. The deal was expected to close in the third quarter, pending the approval of regulators and investors. So that's third quarter of this year, right? So not too accurate of a date. So just something to look at. If you made it this far, I appreciate you watching. Consider hitting that like and subscribe button, and come check us out in the Discord. The link will be down below. All right, thanks.